Okay guys, here we have the Hitachi RB 24 EAP blower. Had this for a few years. Apparently it's one of the best out there. So my issue is the line, right? So this line went bad. Got me a new line. I already got it in there, as you can see. Not sure if it's a little dark, but there we go. I'm putting some light in there. So the existing line is still there. This one is the one that I replaced. So I cut it, right about here. And then I have the original line that's still going into the tank. So now I'm gonna put everything back into place and, and screw it down and test it. But I was having a leak right here. Every time I would pump the gas, it would leak. So because this line here, right, you can see basically came out and it got basically destroyed. Look how dark it is. So I replaced it with a newer one. And also, while you're at this, you should check your filter. So all you got to do is press this down, pull this back, get it up, and look at your filter. Right here, my filter's nice and clean. Basically, I just cleaned it. It wasn't really that dirty, but if yours is dirty, go ahead and get a replacement. Otherwise, that is good, and I'm gonna go ahead and test this baby. Wish me luck. Okay guys, I'm all set, ready to test this baby. Got everything in place, got it on the on position. I already pumped enough gas in there. Follow the instructions right here of how many gas to pump in there. Everything is in the right position. I use a combination of oil and gas. This bottle here lets you do a nice little mix. So I got enough in the tank to get this job going. I'm gonna go ahead and try to start the engine by pulling this. So let's go. Whoa. That was a one shot. So as you can see, this is kind of loose. Okay, I just powered it off because it was a little loud, but as you can see, this is still loose. I'm actually gonna put everything back to place. But that was a one pull start and everything looks beautiful. Look at this area, nice and clean, no more leaks. So my job is completed. Good luck if you have to do the same thing.